Okay, let's start. It's a part of how to use YouTube Studio and using it with the desktop computer. So we learned about the dashboard and everything. So how does it work? There are some few more tips that usually when we get a new subscriber, I know that we usually get a notification on my YouTube page. So once you get the update, it will be updated here, but usually takes some time to update it in this area. um, Same as like this, in this publish video section, you'll see particular rating, numbers for your views, but usually when it comes to here, it takes time to update it here, so usually it will be different, but specifically this shows up to 48 hours, so that's also would be differentiate, so we need to think about that as well. And as you can see, this video shows us 7 views, but typically my videos gets 1 to 40 views, so it checks with the range. It goes up to beyond 40 is good, less than 1 is bad, so that's how it arranges. And with the first 1 day and 11 hours, it um, compare with other things. So apart from that, we need to check the content part. When we see the likes and dislikes, so all the videos we are sharing is for someone to view, so we need to make sure that someone views, or whether someone's not liked it or anything. So if it says 100%, it's whatever the numbers of like is 100%, but in case it says less than that, like say 0%, so it's one dislike. Likewise, let's say there's 33%, so in total of 3, 1 like and 2 dislike, so that's why you can see um, around 1/3 of people likes this video, but 2/3 not like, but just 3 people made their comment, their opinion there, so we are unable to confirm it, but so far that's how it works. Apart from that, you can see these details analyze, so in this video as well, if you click on analyze analytics, it shows all the details here. Say for this 369 views, I get 1.8 watch time and 1 subscriber, so someone is interested in this particular content, and they put their like on it, so that way at least some other people would like it. And the more important thing is here, this chart and this chart. See the chart, so it calculates for the day, so from the day it published, within say first 6 days, it's taken up to 359 views, but then there were only slight improvement, so from that day onwards there were no views, around 10 views. That's a different, see, that's somewhere here and here, so that way we can share this video somewhere, or that's the maximum we are getting now, so we need to improve the quality. So from here we can check, see, average view duration is 0.17, and average 15.13% have seen this video, so this is a part that most people are watching it, so we need to make sure what happens here, whether any part of it around here is worse, or what makes people lose the interest. So we need to make the content better. See, from here it's not a gradual downgrade, but it's just like a mountain rise, right? So we need to consider this. It's quickly turn down to say 45% from 9 second down to half, less than half. So this content is not good enough. See, less than 5% and 4%. At the end, only 3% people have seen it. As a way, this mentioned here, it's not that good to think about this, but anyway, 17% of viewers are still watching at around the 30-second mark. It is good, but it needs to be improved. So we need to make the good content, and we need to think where the particular user lose the interest. That's very important. And we need to think about this as well. See, the impression is 48.3. That that far the YouTube promotes this and show it to other people and all that, but only 0.7 percentage people are click on it. So that also very important. Say that 362 people are unique viewers, but even then, that many people watched it. It's not getting that much reach. So we need to think about sharing it in social media, and as well also we need to think about improving our content. See, within this 48.3 impression, and you get this many views. It's less than that because the duration it calculates is differs. So see, it's up to 1st December. This is total. So there is a slight difference between these two boxes. So content, think about that. So 1.64 hours comes there. And see this, you have already seen it's 333.3%. That's where the content like and dislike were there. So that same exact number comes here. And this audience also really important because 99.3% of the people who watch this are not our subscribers. So we need to, same like this, we need to improve the content, and this is kind of a problem. I mean, yes, people watching is important, and we need people. A lot of people, the population is higher, so many people are watching it. Uh, but then once you got the monetization and all that, in case all the people watch from India, the ads comes from India as well. So if the ad comes from India, the charges might be less. So if you get the monetization and the view counts or watching hours count is higher, even then your incomes might be lesser. I am not exactly sure at this moment, but what I have heard from other people, that's how it works. So we need to think about that highly. And 25 to 34 years people are watching it. 100% of viewers are between these age limits. So if they are interested in this content, I mean they open this content, they might again open the same content. So that way we can reproduce a content similar to this, so that it in turn attracts the viewers between this age. Okay, that's all for this video. We'll check more details from the next one. Thank you.